So today I'm going to give you a review and first-hand experience regarding one of a very good digital marketing tool, which is primarily very good for Facebook and Google because it helps for Facebook interest and Google keyword targeting tool to discover unhidden or niche for Google ads or for Facebook ads. On even it can help you in maximizing the ROI of your advertising audience. So it's a very good tool, and it has already suggested like 500,000 keywords in 40 plus categories, and it already has 30,000 plus customers. And because uh, as a marketer, as a digital marketer, you need to be keep on mind on what your competitors are doing, and any tool which can help you in finding new competitors, finding new opportunities, finding new interest, you should definitely look on. And being as a marketer, I like to try different things. If you ask me, the current tool which I use is Semrush. I use it for the digital marketing needs. But when I was stumbling on Google and when I found this tool, ad targeting, I thought for a moment like, could it be a better replacement for a Semrush, or is it something good in it? So yeah, I got a plan for ad targeting to see out what it is. So I'm going to share my hands-on experience with you. Sorry for this. In regards to this, so let's get started with this. Okay, so here is the website. So yeah, here you go. So they currently have a Black Friday deal going on from 24th November to November 25. In case if you want to buy it, I suggest you to buy it from my link. You will see in the description. But before I do a shootout for them, let's analyze and evaluate the tool and discuss more on this. Okay, so first, yeah, this is their website. You can see ad targeting is the best Facebook interest and Google keyword targeting tool to discover hidden or niche AdWords of a massive audience. It can help you maximize the ROI of advertised audience targeting. So it commits to increase your ROI for your audience targeting. It's going to help you in improving your audience targeting, or helping you in finding new niche, new areas to target. So let's analyze the page. It says that ad targeting provides a large number of keywords to reveal hidden interests that help you precisely target the audience and steal competitors' traffic. So this is a sample of their tool. They claim that they have a search, analysis, category, compare, rank, and country-wise targeting available. So optimize with Google keyword and Facebook interest targeting tool. So yeah, what are the benefits of using ad targeting for your Facebook ads or Google ads? So yeah, they say that you can find interest and target competitor audience for Facebook. And for Google Keyword Planner, what they commit is that to reduce the cost and to maximize effectiveness of advertising, you should be more cautious about the choice of keywords, get the search volume, trend, CPC, and pay difficulty for keywords by using Google Keyword Planner, and to choose a more suitable one. So let's analyze that. How does it actually help you when it comes to the Google Keyword Planner, and how does it help you with the Facebook? Save time and make interest reach easier with interest package. We can see the packages as well. And we will move on to that pricing, we will move on to the top charts, and then we will eventually move on to the our account login to see inside of the account. So yeah, add interest directly to your ad manager in a single click. So you can connect your Facebook account, select some interest in the package and the geographic location where you want to place the ad. Finally, with a single click, you can apply your search results to directly to your Facebook ads account. So this is something good, that if you are doing a research, you have find something good and you can directly add it in your Facebook account as an ad asset just with a click. So it seems like a good option. So you can discover advertising pages to spy on Facebook ads of your competitor. As a marketer, what thing I like the most is spying on my competitors every time, because if they are successful for a reason, you can be successful too. So my ideal strategy is to, for any industry, for any client, my ideal strategy is to see on what my competitors are doing in that industry, or what my client competitors are doing. So in order to make my clients successful, I need to work a lot on my competitors. So any tool which helps you in finding or analyzing your competitors can make you a winner. Because if you are able to analyze why your competitors are successful, you can understand the strategies on what thing customer like about them, how they are targeting, what are their keyword targeting strategy, what is their landing page strategy, what is their UPS, what is their offer, that makes the user. So in case if you can work on these strategies, you can be a successful marketer. So yeah, compare interest or keyword and choose the more appropriate one. So you can compare interest by age, gender, education, job location. At least what they are claiming right now. Analyze the audience to find more appropriate interest for your marketing. So yeah, you're in the right. So yeah, see some testimonials. We got some two testimonials already. There is a lady. She said, "I found more different Facebook interest and Google keywords. Most of the system recommend words can be analyzed in detail. I expect this tool to do better, and I strongly recommend the ad targeting tool, a necessary tool for Facebook or Google advertisers or marketers. It has a large number of interest suggestions." So yeah. Okay, further on, they are also claiming TikTok ads targeting as well. So we are going to analyze it later on. We will be targeting on Facebook ad targeting and understand Google Ads research on how they are going to help us with this. And I also like to see their pricing. So because in case if it seems reasonable or not. Okay, so they have three plans. And the good thing about the pro plan is that you can try it for 3 days for just $1, and then it's only $69 per month. In case if you compare with Semrush, the plan of their pricing is around $90 per month for the basic plan. So yeah, it's good. But the $9 plan has a 20 queries only, and it doesn't help you with Google, Bing, only help you with the Facebook and TikTok. So within this plan, the pro plan, it has Facebook interest, page audience, Google keyword, Bing, TikTok audience, insight, interest suggestion, keyword suggestion, advertiser targeting, advertiser insight, top chart, online support. And the third plan is VIP enterprise. Also, pro plan also has unlimited queries, but it has more definitions of ad, deeper analysis, more ad platform data, competitor ad information, support, API integration, and personalized service. So yeah, that's a lot for now, and let's see the login and see how does it work. Okay, so this is my first time. I'm going to log into my account over here. So let me try it out. So yeah, here I am in my account, and I have a pro plan right now. So this plan I have right now is this plan, and okay, so let's say if I analyze something relevant, for instance, if I like to analyze on for instance, my product is regarding iPhone 14, and let me see how does it help me in Facebook interest and tools. Okay, so no data for iPhone 14, but when I search for Facebook interest or Bing keywords, let me see, they are analyzing data for Bing keywords. Okay, so you can see there is a Bing data. They have relevant keywords. There are around 500 keywords. Okay, I can see with this. Okay, I'm seeing for this is now I'm seeing for Bing keyword over here, search volume, CPC, PD. PD is paid difficulty. I'm surprised to see PD. Usually it's known as KD, keyword difficulty. So here it's PD, paid difficulty. It determined by the number of advertisers bidding on this keyword relative to all other keywords across Microsoft advertising. So it means that these have high PD and major people are advertising on this. And then we have some keywords which have low PD, although they have low searches as well. But we can find something like this which has 1118 searches and low PD as well. or this one. This has searches and medium PD as well. Okay, I like to see what does this I do. You know, I like to see what I can do with this I. Can I do something? No, I cannot do. Okay, so here is a button like search by Facebook, search by Google. So okay, search by Google means that I'm being redirected to a query being searched on Facebook, and search by Facebook means I'm being redirected to a query by on the same query on Facebook. And here, if I search by this ad targeting, this tool, then that keyword is being primarily searched over here. Original iPhone. Okay, I also like to see in case how does it evaluate any competitor domain as well. So I like to see that data as well. Okay, by original iPhone. Now this is a good keyword I was able to find through it, and it has a low keyword competition PD over here as well. Okay, right now this is the data we are evaluating for Bing ads. Now let's try for the Google. Major people are advertising on Google. So yeah, here you can see that the PD over here is on the scale of 0 to 100 for Google ads. And now you can see that although the keyword now has more search volume, because now we are searching for Google, and now I'm seeing the PD. I can also sort out by PD. In case if I'm looking for keywords with low PD or high PD, I can just select this and have a look on. Okay, so 98 is the lowest possible PD I have found for this query. But like this has a super hard. Although this is a 70, but super hard. So for 100, don't consider. Okay, what are the suggestions? Okay, suggestions are more relevant keyword ideas. Okay, yeah. Mhm. Okay, that is a PD. When I'm select through PD, it should actually the result should be shown to me like the lowest one on the top. Like this is at 86, then the 82 keyword should be shown on the number one position rather on the third position. So it is a slight glitch in this program, but that is a minor thing too, and we can have ignore it for the time being, because okay, because that is a very competitive niche. And now if I search on Facebook interest, so let me see. Okay, it is nothing for Facebook, so there is no data for Facebook. But if I search for this on TikTok, maybe I find something or not. What do you think? Maybe I find something good or not. Okay, so yeah, zero interest result on. Okay, so let me uh, search something different. For instance, if I search doctors in Chicago, now that is a complete different niche, totally irrelevant to iPhone, because previously I was searching for iPhone. Zero for TikTok. Okay, because of the website they are claiming for Google and Facebook. So I can understand like if they're still struggling with their TikTok, it's okay. But I want it to work perfectly fine for TikTok, for Facebook interest, Google, and Bing. So far, I'm able to find it helpful for Bing and Google, but not for Facebook. So let's try with this keyword. Maybe I find something good. So for Bing, yeah, they found like a few keywords. This has a low PD. Yeah, some good keywords can be obtained through it, and I like if I'm using for a Bing ads, it can be helpful for me to determine these keywords has a difficulty low or high. So yeah, slightly helpful for Bing. Now let's evaluate for Google and then for Facebook. Okay, so I'm glad I'm able to find some good low PD keywords, because when I search for iPhones, the lowest was 98 and the highest was 100. So, a lot, very competitive niche it was. And now for doctors in Chicago, although it has 1.3 search volume and the CPC is higher, when I compare with the iPhone, but it has a lower PD. It means that low number of people are targeting this keyword as an advertiser. So that is something new for me. That the PD is a new terminology for me, because I don't usually see this on Semrush or Spyfoo or on other tools. That it is telling me what kind of competitors I'm going to see with these keywords. Although the CPC high, but the PD is low. Okay, so it means that the medium PD you can try. It's hard and hard. When it crosses 60, it becomes super hard. Okay, like this. Okay, and see like best functional medicine doctors in Chicago. Okay, I'm able to find a keyword which has no advertiser. So yeah, that is a very good strategy, that I'm able to find keywords where no one else is advertising or targeting. So yeah, it is helpful for me as a Google Ads expert. I think that is a very good added advantage of this software. But I like to evaluate and research more on this tool before analyzing more. Okay, like pulmonary doctors in Chicago, medium, and that is again has $0.00. Okay, yeah. Let's say if I click on this, what I'm going to see is PD, and I can also see top countries. Yeah, I like to know top countries searching for this, and I like to know, data is everything. As a marketer, data is everything. So yeah, United States has the most because Chicago is in US. I will also search some generic words to analyze, and that is the less. Now this is a keyword, endocrinologist Chicago, and so in case if it says other countries apart from US, I have to think on this keyword performance. So yeah, major is from US, so it's fine. There can be people who are traveling in US and they are from India, UK or Canada, and they are searching for endocrinologist in Chicago, or even if they are in India, they're planning to go to US for a endocrinologist visit. So yeah, if that number is fine, it's okay. Okay, yeah, it's good. I'm able to find other keywords. And see, you can see this keyword. This has a very less number of advertisers marketing on it. So yeah, it's a good thing. I can get Chicago dermatologist. It has again less number of keywords, so it's easy to target and win a position. So CPC is not the main thing with Google Ads. The prime thing is with the quality score. So in case if you are able to maintain the quality score, you can reduce your CPC cost, and where your competitors are paying $5 for a click, you can get the same position for a $1 or even lower than $1 if you can maintain your quality score very well with it. So let's move on to the suggestions. What are the suggestions I have? Okay, suggestions are other keywords I can offer. Yeah, I'm getting good data. Okay, what the tool is about, it is actually trying to help me other opportunities or relevant keywords which has lesser number of advertisers. The primal goal of this keyword tool, as far as I'm able to understand right now, is to find you out keywords which are based on less PD. Okay, now I like to see for the Facebook interest. Okay, so yeah, for Facebook, yeah, I'm able to find something for Facebook. So yeah, this tool works for Facebook as well. So for interest, here's an option. I can add for a list, so I can directly import it to my Facebook ads account. Okay, I can also see by advertisers. So this is something interesting for Facebook. I like to search it out, but let's me evaluate. So this is very good. It is telling me the keywords interest. I like to explore it more. Okay, this is nothing related to business. Chicago, no. I'm searching for doctors in Chicago, so I'm looking for interest, something relevant to it. Maybe look on suggestions. No, birthday in January, birthdays. Chicago. Okay, any tool requires research and patience. This is my first time even trying with this tool, and once even I'm expert in this tool, I can even give you better ideas. Okay, so let's move back to the related interest. Okay, no, I do not want. Let me search again. I'm looking exactly for doctors in Chicago. Okay, what? No, I'm not looking for this interest. Okay, let me search this two words separately and find some website and evaluate it. But let's say if I search probably something completely different. I searched regarding iPhone and searched doctors in Chicago, probably restaurants in London. Okay, now I want to search regarding to Facebook. Okay, I'm not searching for United States but rather for UK. Yeah, I can select based on my country, and I have countries like US, India, UK, Pakistan, Philippines, China, Malaysia, Australia, Canada. Okay, ample of countries available here, and I can do worldwide over here. So yeah, okay. So this is actually good because it is telling me interest related to restaurants, London, entertainment, fast food restaurants. Okay, online shop, London Stock Exchange, nothing to be related to it. Fast casual restaurants, yeah, something relevant. So I like to see search by advertiser, see what I can do with the search with advertiser. They have ad spy tool as well. So yeah, I like to know that as well, and I like to search regarding to the fast casual restaurants. So in okay, no results found, zero results found. But I'm curious to know if I search for fast food restaurants. I like to see, in case if it can tell me Facebook advertisers, that will be really interesting. Zero results found. Now search for London. Okay, yeah. So something good over here is that they are able to find relevant advertisers on Facebook. What Runware is a very good ad spying tool when it comes to targeting for Facebook. And if there is an alternative to that, I'm seeing today, and that is adtargeting.io, and that is telling me some competitors right now. But London is a very generic word. I'm not looking for advertisers for any generic word. Rather, I'm looking to for advertisers to a very targeted niche. Okay, I'm still evaluating this as well, but I'm seeing the relevant interest, relevant information. Okay, yeah, I can get data for other restaurants as well. So yeah, that is a very interesting thing that I can copy the data of other competitors restaurants. So okay, suggestions. People in India who prefer high value goods. No, restaurants, dining, yeah, something related to dining. But 32.4 million is a broad niche, and I'm looking for a very custom micro niche. And okay, yeah. Okay, that is good. Like there is a restaurant, Dickie's Barbecue Pit. So in case I can target my audience according to that restaurant, that is a good strategy in it. That I can target that restaurant audience, because if that restaurant audience exactly correlates with my restaurant audience, so that is a win-win for me, because these are the exact people who actually I want to target them on Facebook. So yeah, that is a good thing. And if I see like 357,000 users, so yeah, I can even make it further short based on my location targeting. But yeah, so far it's good suggestion. I also like to see on the domain thing, for instance, okay, let's even target on the domain thing. And in Facebook they have analyzed Facebook ads analysis tool, target Facebook ads by language. So yeah, it found some relevant good keywords for okay, let's say that if there is a website, you know for instance, there is a website like this, ask doctor dot help. So now I'm going to do Semrush versus ad targeting tool comparison for domain. Now let's see how does it goes. Okay, I will write the domain over here and see what option this tells me, and I will write the domain on Semrush to see what options I get. Okay. Okay. So yeah, there is no option for Facebook platform interest. Yeah, because this website is primarily targeting on Google. Okay. So I got around 494 keywords, and now I want to compare that with SEMrush to see how both are standing over here. Okay, now I'm going to find a very good keyword which has a PD of 3, PD2. Again, the intent of the keyword is very important. Any keyword you choose, the intent or with what expectations or mindset a visitor is coming is also very important. So that is again another important thing. So let's say if I see advice of a doctor and I pick this one, I like to see how it's telling me the popularity of the keyword. So the past performance of the keyword, like how its popularity increased or decreased over the time for Google. Yeah, top countries, that is a generic keyword, so it can have multiple countries, because advice doctor is something people can search in US, UK. Okay, this keyword is mostly searched in India, even much more than US, or much more than even UK. Okay. Okay, I can even select some country and see the data for it. Yeah, for India it's showing me data. For China, no data. For UK, I have a data. Okay, okay. Now that is a slightly confusing for me, that for UK it's showing me 672 over here, and over here it's showing me 224. So, yeah, for Canada it's 147 over here, 49 over here. Slightly, uh, okay, it's okay. Now I like to see the comparison with SEMrush. Okay, for SEMrush, it's advertising on 284, and I like to compare with the keywords. Okay, for SEMrush, I'm able to find only 22 keywords. And let's say I move on to this paid selection. Okay, the number of keywords I'm able to find out for this domain through SEMrush, and the number of keywords I'm able to find out through ad targeting. I'm going to compare that data to see where we are standing. And I will now also search a domain for which I can see an ad on Facebook, and then I will see for that on ad targeting. Okay, I'm able to find 22 keywords on SEMrush, whereas on ad targeting tool I'm able to find around 494 results. So that is something really good. But actually, if people are advertising on that word for this domain, for let's say if I search for all about doctor, and if I see the same domain which is ask doctor, in case if I see that, that will be an interesting thing. Okay, no. So actually that is helping me with finding relevant keywords, also letting me know that paid difficulty of that keyword. to help me analyze making a decision on if there are a lot of people advertising on the keyword regardless of CPC, does it make a good option or not. So yeah, it can tell me good keywords based on the easiness of them. So now let's what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my Facebook and see if there are any ads for which I can look on. Okay guys, you don't have to look on my account dashboard and not to on my friends. Let's say if I open Facebook, okay, I had some issue with Facebook. Okay, so yeah, you can see sponsor over here. So let's say if I try to examine this duabrand.pk, okay, the duabrand.pk, okay, that is a local advertiser over here, and I like to see what kind of information I can get when it's come to a local advertiser. Okay, it has selected some relevant. Okay, now for domains I cannot opt for find for Facebook interest, so slight turn off over here. But let's say if I own a perfume brand and I'm looking for perfumes in Pakistan, for instance, if I search this, for instance, if I search a perfumes in Pakistan and I try to select, I will now do a comparison of Facebook interest versus TikTok interest to see, because perfumes in Pakistan is again a very fair and popular local keyword, and I like to understand on this that how does it perform on a word like this. Okay, so yeah, good number of best male perfumes in Pakistan, prices, ladies perfume in Pakistan. Yeah, good suggestions. Again, the CPC is low here, country to country, but it's telling me the PD. Don't consider and consider. So that is again a good option, which I like about this keyword so far about this. So I like to know more about Facebook interest. Okay, I'm selecting the country to be Pakistan. Okay. So it's good that it analyzes the keyword I have searched. It is because if it didn't know the country, like because I said the perfumes in Pakistan, and if the it has found some interest in US, that will be like quite surprising for me as well. Okay, so it has found me some relevant interest, perfumes club, instant messaging. So one drop perfumes. In case if I have one drop perfumes, I can select that audience. So yeah, it is helpful for me in finding relevant audience country to country wise. So yeah, it is actually telling me the interest based on my local language as well. Okay, there are irrelevant interest as well. That is like national cricket team has nothing to do with the perfumes, but it's all optional. If you like something, you can add it. For instance, if I like something is from here is one drop perfume or perfumes club, something like this, I like to work on. Other seems little irrelevant. So yeah, it is giving me good data, but I am looking for a targeted data. So I have to spend a little on finding the relevant exact data for me. Now it is even telling me a local generic word khubsurti, which means beautiful. So yeah, that can be interesting as well. But the audience size is huge, 1.5 billion. I'm not sure 1.5 billion is actually true, because the local audience, the local population of whole Pakistan is probably 200 million, not a billion. Billion is the 8 billion is actually a worldwide odd. So, but again, but it doesn't mean the whole Pakistan is searching for beauty every time. Now I like to see for TikTok. So yeah, TikTok is not yet finalized yet. So now move on to the page audience, and I can see the page audience over here, and I can even add a page audience to see more data. So let's say if I add over here a page, and I can see, let's say that is now a very good tool that you can analyze different pages. For instance, if I have to analyze the Dua brand, Dua brand. Okay, in case if this is really good, I'm going to recommend you guys to opt for this tool, based on this thing. Okay, that is a page. It has 12K likes. Okay, now I'm going to add this page over here. Now let's analyze what does it give to me. Okay, follower of this page is less than 50K, which is not enough to get accurate audience. Are you still okay? Yeah, I'm still okay. And then I will search for other things as well. Okay, they are processing it. While they are processing it, I will add another over here as well. I will, let's say, if I search perfumes in okay, restaurants in London, I was searching this as well, restaurants in London. Okay, I can see my voice. Okay, over here it's fine. So let's say this has 4.6 followers. Okay, I'm looking for a page which has 50K plus followers. Okay, okay, I found a local restaurant over here. Okay, because it is telling me according to my location. So let's say if I select this one restaurant, although this restaurant has a branch in UK as well, but let's add this as well. Okay, now let's analyze what information, I'm very excited to see. Okay, page audience. Now that is a very interesting feature, and I like it. As a marketer, that is a very good thing to analyze. Okay, for a Dua brand Pakistan, they are telling me that they has the 12.6 followers, 12.6K followers, 12.3K likes, 270 posts, which means average read 0.97 posts a day you get. Major visitors are from Pakistan, secondary US, third is United Arab Emirates, and the fourth is Saudi Arab. With the major, telling me 83% are males. I'm very surprised to see, because perfume brands usually have higher female audience. So that is little bit surprising for me. And female 16.67%. Okay, so even they're telling me the relationship status. So most of the people visiting this page are not in a relationship, or they prefer not to mention. So it means that 19% people are who are married. So ideally I'm going to target people based on this data. If I'm creating a perfume brand in Pakistan, I'm going to target people who are not married yet. It means that they are exchanging, couples are more frequently exchanging gifts when they are not married. Okay, major traffic is from college students. High school is very less, and graduates are nowhere to be, seems to be found. Single are 30%. That is a good share. Not in relationship are 50%. So the married 20%. So that's an interesting data to analyze. I like to analyze something in UK or US to analyze. So I can help you other as well. So UK famous restaurant, and if I write Facebook, I'm going to find a Facebook page for that. Okay. Okay, I'm looks like I'm going to find something really interesting. I have opened a lot of URLs as well. I'm going to close this, even this one. Okay, still 8.9K likes. Still I'm going to analyze it. Okay, it's so they are saying that the page has even less than 10K followers, means that it's a no. So your page needs to have at least 10,000 followers or likes. So this has 8.9. Okay, little bit disappointed with this. 2045, even disappointed. Okay, let's say if I search Domino's UK Facebook. Okay, now Domino's is a worldwide chain, and let's say if I analyze this page. Okay, it's automatically redirecting to the local version. But let's say if I want to Hmm. Okay. Yeah, it has 11,000. So yeah, we can try for this. Domino's Middlesbrough. Hmm. Yeah, I'm still going to analyze it. Yeah, okay. Okay. So the salt paper page still needs to be analyzed, and let me redirect over here because it is taking me too much time over here. Okay, this page audience is very good thing I like about this tool. And now let's see, let me see what they have analyzed so far for this. So it can take several hours as well. Okay, while it's being done, let's move on to the advertiser side, because I like to properly evaluate things on what is available for me. So far the tool is good, although, okay, search Facebook pages by any keywords and I can search. Let's say if I search perfumes in Canada, maybe I find something good or maybe not. Okay, no, nothing. But let's say if I search just perfumes, okay, I get ample of results. 34 pages. Perfumes, Istanbul or Domino's UK. What I was searching for, Domino's UK. Let me search over here. No. Okay, the data isn't perfect but isn't bad either. So yeah, it's good. Okay, yeah, Domino's. I'm able to find Domino's Romania, different Domino's country to country wide pages. Okay, whatever the pages I have, I can look on. Let's say if I had tried to look on this one. Okay, if I click on this, I can see the advertising trend, last 12 month data. Okay, if I move on to the top charts, I can see what's going top in any country, any places, different category wise on what's going on anywhere, and I can find a trend of as per Facebook or as per Google. So yeah, it's more. I can select a category and then I can see what's going on in the top for this keyword, this niche. So yeah, it's good. Okay, so yeah, they have analyzed 50%. That is a good thing that they have analyzed. Okay, so far, yeah. Okay, this was the for Dickie's barbecue pit. So yeah, they did a good data research on this, and I like to even further open this to see the advertising trend. Okay, so yeah, I got some hot keywords idea: barbecue, roulette, side, string, sandwiches. Relevant keywords. If it would be awesome if I can get the platform distribution, creative type distribution. But yeah, it's good. Now let's move on to my page targeting where I'm studying. Maybe let me refresh and maybe I find something more. Okay, I'm going to hold my video over here. So once I'm done, I will be back with you guys. So yeah, so yeah, it took a little while, like probably few minutes, 5, 7, 8 minutes, and yeah, the results are ready. So you can expect a hourly 10, 20 minutes wait. An hour is sufficient for this. So the salt and pepper data I have right now is 145,000 followers, 146,000 followers, 145,000 likes, 2.9k posts, means 2,900 posts with average of 0.81 posts per day. Major traffic coming from Pakistan, UAE, UK, and US. Saudi also has traffic. So age group wise, the major traffic is from 25 to 34 age group, with followed by 35 to 44, and the last is 18 to 24. So it means that the 55 is the fourth last, and 45 to 54 is something, and no data for 65. Okay, so graduate is 13.58%, college is 74.65%, and high school is 11.77%, where the not in relationship is 54%, and here we have some married people coming here, so 26%, 26.88% is at least good, and 17.97% single, and 1% engaged people are also interested in this restaurant. So yeah, the data is good. So this data is helpful in case if you are trying to create your own relevant restaurant, and if you feel like that data actually plays a huge role in any marketing strategy or effort. So yeah, based on the data you can create your own strategy, create your own audience. In case if I know who is the target audience of my competitor, I can create my own audience based on the data of that. So let's say in case if I have to start a restaurant just like a salt and pepper, what I needed data from here is that which audience should I target. My prime is going to be 24 to 34 ratio, because that is the prime chunk of the traffic I'm getting, my competitors are getting. And then I would rather prefer people not in relationship or married people, and then if I have a budget left over, I would spend on single or engaged. Again, I will prefer with priority on college and second priority on graduate school when it comes to the education sector. So yeah, the data actually helped me in analyzing if I have to start my own restaurant. So this part of this tool is really good and amazing. So +5 for this page audience thing, which I personally like it, and I will appreciate them like for this. So yeah, the tool is good, and I spent like an hour, 45 to 60 minutes on evaluating this tool, if you add the weight as well. So yeah, it's a good tool. Yeah, there are some points where I have discussed openly with you that where they need a little improvement, and I hope that they will improve gradually with the recent updates, because they are continuously evaluating and improving their tool. So yeah, best wishes for them as well. So in case if you are looking to spy your competitors, be it on Facebook or be it on Google or be it on Bing, so this tool is actually a very good tool, and they are also offering a 3 days trial for $1, which is very economical for this. So in case if you plan to buy, you are more than welcome to buy from my link, and I will be definitely paid a little bit commission for this, because I worked hard in creating this review. At least help me for this, give me credit for this, because I spent a lot of time for this review. So yeah, with this I like to end. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions regarding this tool, I will be happy to answer right in the comments box. I will be looking forward for your comment. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you, and bye bye. Hope you like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.